Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Jamila Creates, where we do fashion, DIY, and the occasional thrifting. So I have a small thrift haul, and the story behind that is that I had a collection of videos. You can go ahead and see them. They're really good. They're just upcycle videos on what to do with your old clothes, kind of make them into a summer themed thing, and that's because I was in need of a summer casual wardrobe. But now the season is still the same, but my need for that is kind of going away rapidly, so I'm going to be turning my attention to something else. But I still needed some of these things, so I went out and bought them at the thrift store. The reason I didn't do that at any other place is because the real challenge for me was to get things that weren't involved in the fast fashion realm of things. And of course, you're not going to cut up something that's expensive, so that kind of weeds out the rest of everything. So it had to be thrifting. If you're unaware of what's going on with fast fashion, I have some educational videos that I'll link down below to recommend, but basically the problem with it is there's the environmental angle, but there's also the human rights abuses and the labor abuses involved in fast fashion. So my goal for this wardrobe was to not be involved in all that ickiness. And I think where this wardrobe is concerned, I got that going pretty well. So, without further ado, my first item from the thrift haul is these pants. Now, they are pants, but I'm planning to cut them into shorts. I might sew them up, I might leave them. Stretchy isn't the best to just leave as cutoffs, but it's time to turn my attention to other things. But one of my upcoming projects involves denim, so if I have the sewing machine out already, it would really not be that hard to just cut it. This has an elastic waistband. I don't love that, but I figure if I wear things over it, it'll be fine. It's very comfy and it fits very well, so those were my main, my main concerns with that. So, yeah. Item number one, and the rest of these I will not be cutting or doing anything to. That was my main thing at the thrift store. I was like, I am not buying anything that I have to do a thing to. These jeans kind of failed that, but what can you do? It's me. Anyway, our next item is just a tank. Can you tell that I'm obsessed with pinstripes this season? Because I'm obsessed with pinstripes this season. Anyway, it's from Elle. It's in my size. And it's just a button down with a little ruffle on the buttons. I don't love the ruffle, but I'll keep it. For a future video, let me know if you want this. I can teach you guys how to do a hidden placket with something like this. Put some Velcro in it instead of buttons. I hope you don't think I'm obsessed with putting Velcro in things. It's just that I want to be, I like to do tutorials about making clothing adaptive too. So if y'all want to see that, I can do that. But for now, it's going to be a while because I have other projects in mind. So yeah, I might have to iron this. I don't want to iron the whole thing. It's just these ruffles are looking a little rough. Ruffles, rough. You know what I mean. Here's a hack. You can use a hair straightener as a mini iron. I say that because that's what I'm going to do. I'm not getting out my iron for this. Unless it's out for something else already. Anyway, next item. I found a blank white t-shirt. This one technically doesn't belong in the thrift haul because I'm going to do something to this. This is going to be involved in my next project somehow. I just don't know how yet, but it's going to be involved in the next project. I just figured I'd show it to y'all because I also got it at the thrift, and wouldn't you know, it was just sitting on top of the racks. Someone had just left it there. It's my size and it's perfect for crafting. And cricket stuff. It's perfect for crafting and cricket. So that's there. We are down to our last two. When I say mini, I mean like mini. I did not buy much there just because, you know, thrifting, it's kind of hit or miss sometimes. But I got this silky dress. It's from Wild Fable, so that's nice. And, you know, I just want to be involved in the silk trend. I'm kind of plus size, so I can never find something that I like in the silk trend because it's usually like straight down. But I feel like this, especially with the back, it'll be nice, and I can layer it like under white, like that white t-shirt before I cut it up, or I could layer it under some other tee or tank. If you're busty, you'll understand. And it'll be a nice little skirt dress. So yeah, very happy with this find. It might be my best find, actually. And on to the last, and it's unbuttoned, but it is my favorite. I've worn it already. It's just this cute little button down with like a summer tie in the middle, so it ties up at the waist, except it's kind of a low waist that ties up on, which I think is perfect because I like things that hit near where my pants stop, so that I'm not like a belly girl. No shade to belly girls. You do you, and I've only seen them pull it off greatly, but I don't have the self-esteem to pull it off, so no. Working on it, but no. So yeah, this is the last piece, and the beautiful thing about this is even though it fits a little snug, not like bad snug, it's just kind of I want it to be boxy, and it's more it's more fitted to my curves, which is fine, but this would be great to trace for a pattern and then box it out a little bit, because I have another shirt that's like this silky black. I think I've worn it in videos before, and it is shaped like this too, except more boxy. I love that shape. I love this kind of crop, so I'm super excited to wear this and make more like this. And I might even find some way to put it in the theme of my next DIY series, so look out for that. And of course the DIY series might have some concepts coming back that we've gone over, but in new and interesting ways. So yeah, that was my thrift haul. Please like and subscribe and all that good stuff. And with that having been said, we are officially finished with my DIY series, or with my summer DIY series. I will have pictures, beautiful pictures, or video, or whatever, of some of my previous work right here via the magic of editing. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the DIY and summer series, and I look forward to seeing y'all in the next one. Happy sewing and thrifting. Bye.